This is a waiver event for Gaomon customers. As long as you are a Gaomon customer, you can get a certain amount of cashback.
What? Customers who have bought Gaomon products will also enjoy this benefit?
Yes, all customers who have purchased the following Gaomon models between January 1st, 2022 to June 15, 2023 can participate. Step 2. Upload pictures or video to SNS with one click. Post a picture or video including these Gaomon models on SNS with the tags Gaomon, gaomoncashbackplan, Gaomon model name such as Gaomon PD 2200s. Once you reach 10 likes and 5 comments, you will be eligible for cashback. Step 3. Send an email to Gaomon service. Send your order number and the link of your posted post to Gaomon service. Congratulations on completing the last step. All that's left is to wait for our review, and once it's approved, we will arrange for a cashback for you. If you bought a Gaomon pen display, you can get $5. If you bought a pen tablet, you can get $2.